What they don't tell you is the entrepreneur life is not easy, baby. If you gotta be strong, okay? And that's period. You gotta be. Take them to the fly trap. Yeah, I totally messed that up. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me. We back in the fly trap today. So you guys, today's video we're gonna be unboxing my products that I got in. Let's see. If you have not already checked out my previous videos, you guys, you can check it out. Link in the description bar down below, as well as my spiritual awakening journey channel. You can check that out up here if you're interested in spiritual awakening or anything to do with, you know, spirituality, honey. So let's just get right on into this video, you guys. So I've already opened up the box, but hold on. I've already opened up the box. Trying to make sure my information out anywhere. I don't think it is, but so it did come from DHL, you guys, and I did take some of them out already. So these are some of my mink lashes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can get close up on it. This is another one. I'm dropping stuff, girl. Oh, over here dropping stuff, girl. Like, who does that? So this is another one here, and they are packaged up, you guys. So while I'm unboxing this, you guys, if you are, you know, going on the entrepreneur journey and you're trying to, you know, go search for products and get your vendors, it's very, very important that you have more than one vendor, okay? That's first off. You need to have more than one vendor. Here is another one, you guys. So these, let's see, we can open these up. Look at these, y'all. These are so pretty. Like, so pretty. And I think I'm going to customize this case. You guys, I'm going to customize my case on my own. Yeah, I'm gonna customize it. But like I was saying, make sure you have more than one vendor, because you never know what can happen, y'all. These are human beings, so you never know what can happen. So having more than one vendor is very, very good. Also, if you're just now starting out and you are looking for products from these vendors, make sure that you test the products first. I know all of my inventory that I get, I usually test it out first before I decide to put it on the market or sell it to anyone. So it's very important that you test the products out. So what you're going to do is, if you're reaching out to a seller, you know, say, hey, I'm interested in your products, but I want to sample your products first. Buy one or two. You can buy 1, 2, 3, or 4, you know, different lashes that you see. I know when I first purchased, I bought maybe about 6 different lash styles to try out and test, just to make sure, you know what I'm saying, the quality was good and that I was gonna like it. That's very important, because you don't want to buy a bulk, because some of these vendors will make you buy a bulk, or they'll tell you that you gotta buy a bulk. You don't have to buy the bulk, okay? You don't have to buy the bulk unless you're actually investing in that company. So they have, it's called MOQs, and that's basically like a quantity for them. So you tell them, they have specific quantities that they usually sell to you know, entrepreneurs or anyone opening a business. And this goes for anything. It doesn't have to necessarily be lashes, it can be anything. But they make you buy a bulk majority of it, so that you can basically pay a lot of money up front and they get your business. But it's very important that you test the product out first, because what if you don't like it? You know what I'm saying? What if you get the product, you done bought 500 pieces of whatever, and now you don't like the product, then you stuck with the product. But if you buy like 2 or 3 of them, and you don't like it, you know what I'm saying, it's just, you just take that loss and keep it moving, find another vendor. So you guys, my inventory, so in a previous video I have, and I'll link it in somewhere in the description bar, but I did show you guys that I had colored lashes. So I used these in one of my videos. Hopefully you can see it and it's not glaring, but I used these in one of my videos for Halloween. You can check that out. But I did get some colored ones, you guys, because some people like color, you know what I'm saying. Like, a lot of people like to be different and some people don't. So I got regular lashes for my girls who are regular smegglers, and then I got, you know, if you want to add, spice it up, look, these can go for Christmas if you want to spice it up, you know what I'm saying. You got the different colors, y'all. These are my favorite colors right here. I love pink, and who don't love pink? You know what I'm saying? Who don't love pink? Who don't love pink? So those are not all of mine. I did order a lot of them, as you can see here, but I'm just gonna show y'all, you know, just a little bit, a little taste. So let's go ahead and open up this box here, y'all. So how did this get in there? I don't know how that got in there, but you guys, you see they did package my stuff in the box. So I have my cases here. I got some cases, and I ain't gonna show y'all the cases, but I'll show you the lashes, you know what I'm saying, because my cases is a little different. You know, they're not the ordinary cases. I don't like to be ordinary in my business, you guys. And, you know, if you want your business to stand out, or, you know, set it apart from everybody who's trying to sell or the same thing pretty much, you gotta be different. You gotta be innovative. You gotta think outside the box. You know what I'm saying? You gotta think outside the box. So let's just move these out the way so I can get to these lashes, y'all. They pack this stuff real good. I love my vendor, you guys. You know, she usually gets my stuff here fast, and she communicates very well. It's very important too that you find somebody who communicates well, you guys, because if you ordering stuff, just think about it. If you order stuff, you know what I'm saying, you want your stuff, you know, Amazon has spoiled a lot of people in getting stuff here next day delivery, but you gotta just think normally. When you order something, it's gonna take a while for you to get, especially when you ordering overseas. So it's very important that you keep that in mind. You're not gonna get your stuff right away, and you are going to have to track it and keep up to date on everything. So you guys, ooh, these are some pretty. So I got some here, some of my lashes here, and I'm not gonna show you guys all of them. I'm just showing you what I ordered, because it's a lot of them, you guys, and I just don't have time to be sitting here showing each of these lashes. But y'all, for my girls who like blend, it is on and popping. We got these, y'all, and when you ordering lashes too, so it's very what's the word I'm looking for? It's very common that you looking like you ordering them. So say you see the catalog and you're like, oh my god, I really like these lashes, or oh my god, I really like those lashes. You gotta think for other people, so you gotta buy a variety. Don't buy the same lash, you know what I'm saying? Buy a variety of them, because not everybody like 25 and 27 millimeter lashes. Some people like, you know, natural looking lashes. Like these are like for my dramatic people, you know, for my dramatic people. These are 27 millimeters, and those for the ones who like to blink. You know what I'm saying? Just like out of the box. And see how I have a variety. So like these will be more of subtle. They'll be like more of subtle kind of style, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about being extra. You don't gotta be extra every day, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what else we ordered here. Oh look, y'all, we got these. So we got these too, y'all. So look at these are pretty. And now these are not the cases that I'm using. I'm using some different cases, but this is what she sent me. She sent them in these. Now look at these. Like these are pretty too. Like, oh my god, like so pretty. But I might use these boxes because they're not bad boxes, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're really cute. These might be some boxes you can put on in something else. Like, I sell hair extensions too, so you know, if I wanted to throw in a little gift, I could. These are really cute, and I do have names for these, y'all. I write them down. I keep like a little journal, so I write them down as I go, so that once I do get my lashes in, I can kind of like, you know what I'm saying, be like, okay, this is what I'm gonna name her, or this is what I'm gonna name this one. And see, like, look at these, more natural for my natural girls. We got some natural ones and even more of natural. These are 25 millimeters here. So I do have a different variety of them, y'all. It's not the same lash. I kind of try to keep it a little bit different depending on who your vendor is. She does, or they do have a catalog that you can see it before you kind of like buy it, so you can pick out which ones you want. Ooh, y'all, like these are really pretty. Like, these are really short, but you can add it like kind of like on the outer portion of the eye. Those will be really cute. And I'm gonna do a video, you guys, showing you some of these lashes. I will do a video, but I did do a video on my colored ones. The rest of these, you guys, I'm not gonna show all of them. Like I said, there's a lot of them in here, but I have cases in here too. Let me put these back in here, you guys. But some more tips and tips that I can give to whoever is looking for a vendor. When you wholesaling, or when you're trying to find a wholesale vendor, make sure that they are legit. So you can use some people use AliExpress, some people use Alibaba. If you are using those sites, make sure they are legit people, and use PayPal or assured checkout when you are purchasing from these vendors. PayPal is very secure, and also assured checkout is very secure. My bad, guys. My freaking battery went dead. So let me hurry up and get this out before the battery down me again. But you guys, I was saying, make sure that it's assured checkout or PayPal, so that way if something happened, then you can dispute it through them and they can take care of it for you. But the only other thing I gotta show you guys is y'all pick. But you guys, I'm sorry. So I got these from my local dollar store, and they are acrylic storage spaces, and these are really, really cute. They were only $1. And I also got these right here, which are other storage units, and I got about 10 of these so that I can go ahead and make some storage spaces for my products. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, and also turn on post notifications on so you will be notified when I post another video. Also, if you have not checked out my previous videos, information is in the description bar down below, as well as the lash extensions, which are on my website, www.mesmerizedbeauty.com. Information is in the description bar down below. You guys go ahead and check that out, as well as shop the hair bundles and wigs on beautybundles.com. Information is in the description bar down below. So if you guys stay tuned till next time, I will be bringing back another unboxing video and some more tips and tricks for the entrepreneur life. Because guess what, y'all, what they don't tell you is the entrepreneur life is not easy, baby. If you gotta be strong, okay, and that's true.